and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Good morning, YouTube. It's me, Shanice, back again with another video. Another video. Hey y'all, it's me, Shanice, and I'm back again with another video. Today we will be starting the side hustle series. So yeah, basically the side hustle series is me trying different jobs and letting y'all know how it go, whatever, how much I get paid or whatever, you know, stuff like that. Because my work videos get the most traffic on my channel, so we doing the side hustle series, the jobs, you know what I'm saying? So today's video is me door dashing. I hope y'all can hear me over this air. I hope ain't nobody out here. That ain't no better. So today's video is about me door dashing. We're gonna door dash. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to get up early and start early because I want to get back on track, because when I was working I'd be up super early, and now I've been going to sleep late, waking up late, and I just can't afford to be doing that. I need to be up early, you know, and get it out the way if I can. So we about to DoorDash. The goal today is $50 or over, but we're gonna stick with the $50. And my goal is to be doing this to 2 o'clock, 2:30, because I want to try to schedule a hair appointment for my brand ambassador thing or whatever in between. So hopefully I can, because tomorrow I have a pop-up shop. I'm hosting a pop-up shop, so that's another side hustle majig video. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to do this quick, period. I mean, to 2 o'clock, and that's like 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, that's like 6 hours, you know. And then I got stuff to do this evening. So basically I'm trying to DoorDash in my little schedule. And yeah, let's get ready for this video. I got my first
turn right onto Burlington Street, then turn right onto Shoulders Hill Road.
Y'all, I got my first order. Ain't it? Camera ain't gotta do me like that. But yeah, y'all, I got my first order. It's for $6.75. And I gotta go to 7-Eleven. Maybe I need to start doing this early, because I know when I used to do this like a long time ago, the orders did not come right away, because I used to DoorDash a lot. I used to work at Walmart and DoorDash like when I got off work. That's how, because I was really working to get my business up, and that's what I'm doing right now too, because yeah, I got the benefits. I got a little easier way, so I'm gonna use my opportunity to get ahead, you feel me? First order. First order was successful, and it changed from $6.75 to $7, which is good. So I got $43 more to go. And y'all, I love these glasses, but they're not my prescription yet. So now we're waiting for our next order. This next order was $3.50. Usually I wouldn't do it, but since the last person just paid $7, I'll take it, because I'll already be at $10, and then I had to go 40 more, you feel me? And the miles weren't that bad. I'm going based off the miles. So yeah, now we at Metro Diner waiting. Okay, so the people in the morning don't play. I'm on my third order already, and I think it's still 8 o'clock, literally. Yes, it's 8:44, and I'm on my third order. So they don't play about this breakfast.
Boy, now you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these
quick update, y'all. It just turned 9 o'clock and I'm on my either 4th or 5th order that's about to make $20. So now I got $30 more to go. Snap for me.
It's overboard now.
I'm at the next location, but everybody looking at me recording. But this order is $9.50 and is 11 miles, which that sucks. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna tip me more when I get there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. It's 11 miles, and after that I will be at $29.50 if they don't tip no more. If they do tip more, then I'll be at $30, and then I got 20 more to go. And it's only like 9 something. This is the only way I can set it up for like y'all to ride with me. I went to get gas. I had 70 miles in my car before I started door dashing, okay? So I used that 70 miles and I made $34.50 or something like that. Almost $35 off that 70 miles I had. So I just went and got gas and I only put $20 in my tank. That's it. And I got 171 miles. So yeah, we about to flip that $20 with DoorDash. So let's roll. Now we at McDonald's picking up another order, and this makes probably $40 probably. I'm not even sure, but it look a little better now. One thing I hate about DoorDash is when you get to the like a Wendy's or a McDonald's, knowing they run mostly drive-through, they be like, you gotta come in. Like, girl, give me that food to the drive-through. Stop. Y'all, I'm in my last order for the $50 challenge that I'm doing. So yes, I'm at $50, y'all. After I deliver this order, I'm at $50 for today, and it's 11, like probably like 11:30, 11:40. So y'all, so I'm delivering this order now, and I'll be at 50 literally keep it 50. Hey y'all, so we made it to 50. Now we're making gas money for it to fill back up tomorrow. I'm not gonna need no more gas today, I don't think. But yep, I got an $8 order right now, so that means I only got to get $14 more to cover the gas that I put in here today, the $20, and that's it. So, and I'm still on my little health journey, you know, my meal prep. I have not ate nothing extra but a McDonald's hash brown that was free. So,
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on.
hey y'all, 4 o'clock check-in. It's 4 something. It's just turned 4 o'clock. Like, it's like 4:10 or something like that. But I am at $116 on DoorDash, and I'm trying to get like a $7 order before I go back in the house. And that's gonna be it for me today. You know, my goal was $50, and I ended up making over the goal. So let's do this. Let's order. Morning, YouTube. I look a hot mess. Don't pay me no mind, but it's day 2, and I'm finishing up the DoorDash this morning. It's 7:30 in the morning, and I got my first order already. I didn't know DoorDash start this early, because when I used to do it, it didn't used to start this early. But I wouldn't be up this early anyway. So we headed to Bojangles now. I got a good order this morning. And yeah, we're gonna finish the video off today. I'm gonna let y'all know how much I made and the hours I worked and how much I got paid per hour and all that information. And what else? And then I'll be starting the next side hustle vlog for a different side hustle. So let's go. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great morning, weekend, whatever. Just, you know, turn up and do what you need to do. Hey y'all, I know I'm days late. I'm checking in on my shenanigans here, Teak Bonnet. Make sure y'all check out my business and get y'all a bonnet. My bonnets last up to 2 years. I had this one since 2020 and I'm still rocking it. As you can see, and it looks good. And you can wash them. They washable, they reversible. Like, you can wear it black, you can wear it like this. But anyways, DoorDash was good, y'all. I DoorDash 3 days straight. Today is Saturday. This is my last day DoorDashing. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I am resting, and it's May 1st. So, you know, I gotta plan out, you know, May. I gotta manifest. I gotta pray. I gotta go to church. I gotta meal prep again. So let's get into the numbers really quick. Okay, so Thursday, when I DoorDashed, I made $127.43. Friday, I made, I'm trying to see, I can't add this up, like, hold up, give me a second. It's late, y'all, and I've been tired. I've been rolling since I woke up this morning, because I just started DoorDashing on Thursday, so I wanted to get, you know, ahead. So I made $83.25 on Friday, and that's because I had the pop-up shop. So I door dashed from 7:30 in the morning till 12 p.m. and I made $83. And on Saturday I made $157, and I door dashed from 9:30 to 8:30, 9:30 to one of those. But y'all, I took a few pauses during that time as well, so just take that into consideration. So overall, those 3 days I made $368 with DoorDash. I made $368 from DoorDash in 3 days, and my dash time was 18 hours and 28 minutes. So let's do the math. 368 divided by I did it wrong. 368 divided by I'm gonna put, it's 18 hours and 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna just put 19 hours. So I made $19 an hour in 3 days, and I did 54 deliveries. So yes, that was my DoorDash journey. If y'all enjoyed this video, let me know if y'all want to see more. Okay, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Peace.